So you need to know about stomatal opening and closing. You will know that the stomata are these sort of holes in the bottom of the leaf, and they are formed by these things called guard cells, which I've shown here and here. When you will know them to be open most of the time, I'm not told you much else, but they do close. But we'll talk about them closing in a second. When they're open, they let CO2 in and they let oxygen out, which is exactly what you want. You have gas exchange for photosynthesis because you need CO2 and you're going to produce oxygen, so you need that to get out. However, as we've learned from transpiration, water vapor is also going out. So we're losing water. The whole time these stomata are open, we are losing water in an attempt to drag water up to the palisade layer of this leaf. However, what if there's low water or low sunlight? Say there's no water around. You don't want to be losing this water vapor. You don't want that. It's a commodity. It's a valuable resource. Equally, if there's low water around, you're not going to be able to do photosynthesis anyway because you haven't got much water. So it doesn't matter about what's going on. You're better off just holding on to your water. The same is true if there's low light. So that's why I've said low water availability or low light intensity. If there's low light around, you're not going to be able to do photosynthesis. So what's the point in having this gas exchange? All that's going to end up happening is you'll have no gas exchange, but you'll still lose your water. So what the cells do is they remove the water from themselves. If there's low water availability, you pull water out the guard cells, which makes them flaccid rather than turgid. And what it does is it makes them go to this shape. And that shape, you can't see a stomatal opening here anymore. And that's because it's shut. So no water is going to get out, no CO2 is going to get in, and no CO2 and O2 is going to get out. However, if it goes sunny again, or you water the plant, there's more water around, there's more sun around, and photosynthesis can actually occur, then you go back across and you can reopen your stomata.